Hello, today I'd like to talk about one of the most frequently asked questions related to ERC. What is ERC? Is Employer Retention Credit, which is related to payroll and refunded from your payroll taxes and refunded from the US Treasury Department or IRS. For those that they are eligible from March 13th of 2020 to December of 2021, they had eligible employees, and they have maintained the business and paid payroll during this period of the COVID-19 pandemic, and either their gross receipt declined during this period, or they had shut down and still maintained their employees. So these are the ERC. So what it is related to Form 940 of the payroll that you have paid taxes, and it could be, if it is all the eligibility there, it could be up to $26,000. But first of all, we have to know what it is, this amount that we are receiving. And when we're receiving this amount, then we have to go and amend it, your 2020, 21, and possibly 22 if you have done your income taxes for business income taxes for the period. The best people to do this are those that doing your payroll taxes, which they are aware of your quarterly 941 and so forth for your payrolls. There are some companies that are approaching, and they are asking from 15% to 25% of the basically this amount that they are going to be processing and getting to you. But there are some issues behind that has to be clarified. When you're receiving this amount after the government review of the forms that they are presenting for the 2020 and 2021, and then that amount receiving, you have to pay percentage of that to the whoever they're processing for you, unless your own payroll company to do it, which might be free. And then when you're receiving this figure, this amount, then you have to go to your 2020 and 21, and then reduce the amount that you have received for that period from your wages that paid for the employees. And reducing that amount of wages for that period is going to increase your net of income, or as a result, if you are a corporation, on your return earnings. And then if you are a pass-through company like a corporation or LLC or other businesses, this amount is going to be passed through to you as a shareholder and interest holder. And then you have to also amend your individual income tax return to reflect this amount which came from those 2020 and 2021. The reason I'm talking about this issue is that many people, they don't know the consequence of that. When they're receiving, they don't know that they have to go and amend those periods that they have received, 2021. And if they have done their 22, then they have to do it for 22. And some of these amounts, it might be coming in 2023. So therefore, it's important to know this issue before making final decision. It is government paying for the, as it says, that the employer retention and credit, but you have to be eligible for that. So this issue was an important issue I wanted to clarify. Thank you. Shahrat Tadayon.